The district medical and health officer in Nongpoh took a proactive step towards raising awareness about polio immunization for children under the age of 5 by organizing a sensitization rally at Nongpoh. The polio immunization drive is scheduled to take place in March 4th, 5th and 6th across the entire Nongpoh district. The rally saw active participation from school, children and health workers with banners and placards to effectively communicate the importance of polio immunization. District Health Education Officer G. Warjri urged patients, parents, village leaders and all concerned citizens of Nongpoh to come forward and recognize the significance of polio immunization for infants and children up to 5 years old. She emphasized that collective cooperation is crucial in eradicating polio from the district.
Sanksnim karta bikin wanyalam ikhlo shakitu ki polio booths ki banglabo hagi banta ki baper hajan ki area jumpi hajan ki shnong jumpi baphinya ai ki ki polio drops ki khun jumpi khnang bigin long ki khun ki bashat bakhlan hadina bor bad bakin no ayo knyam jingpang polio